You know, I gave up trading some of my jelly blocks with someone to do this.
I'm already here, so.
Could be making spurs right now, but I'm not.
Well, they never responded to you, so.
Yeah, they did. They just had to get on in an hour.
Oh.
And so I was staying on, just waiting for them to get on. But I was like, you know what? Fuck this.
Right. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your Nicky Wakey till day Matilda, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
I beat it.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, dude.
Oh my god. And I got the whole completion. Let's go. Oh my god. I'm just gonna clip this too. Attempt count 10,773 attempts. G fucking G's, bro. Holy fuck.